Hey, what's going on everyone? In my previous videos I showed you some drone footage with pictures and a little video of our camping trip. But to really capture the feeling you get when you go camping with the Brenes family, we're going to go behind the scenes to show you why we love this place. Hope you enjoyed this year's video.
Here's stop number 1. I'm just hungry.
You don't care about Black Bear Diner?
I care about food.
This little critter, this little one.
That's it, folks.
Maddie slept for half an hour. She's got some crazy hair. Hiding herself from the camera. That's right, your hair looks good.
I'm doing great. My lips feel a little chapped.
What are you working on?
Reading first class tonight.
Class?
Yep.
That's horrible. What's up, Max?
Hey, James.
You're exposing us, Max. What the heck? Where's my... Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dang, you just avoiding people over here, Max?
Whoa. Look at Haley just avoiding us.
Yeah, look at Haley avoiding us. Hi, Haley.
You think I was gonna hit you?
Yeah.
I didn't.
Hi, Haley.
So what are you doing?
Doing my laundry.
You're doing your laundry? Dang, you got very little clothes.
They're medium.
What do we got over here, Max?
I don't know what they're called. Human soccer bubbles.
Life inside the bubble.
Oh, this is hard to hold with one hand. Again.
Haley's finally on camera.
No.
Max, run into her.
Hey, Max, I'm not. Boo! And what do you have to say to the camera now?
I'm at a rock, Gene.
What do you think about that?
I think he's crazy.
The war is about to commence. Our referee Max right here. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Tyler just got freaking bodied. Got bodied.
Bodying. 3, 2, 1, all in the middle.
All 3 at the same time, right in the middle. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go! What's up, Jake? What's up? Right here at Tony's Paradise. Enjoying the beach, the water. You got a little Max right here. Doing surfing on the board.
You're the boogie board or the skin board. Yeah.
Look at it. Ooh. That's tough. Look at this beautiful area. Yes. Donner 2020. Living. What do you think of this place?
It's pretty cool.
Back.
Yes, we just came back from the lake, and now we have boot camp here. Haircuts. Drill Sergeant Tony Brenes over there. Well, Rihanna's cooking. Maddie's texting.
What's up, Max? How are we doing today?
Good.
Good. What are you playing?
Hey, Max.
Come on, look at the camera. What are you playing?
Minecraft.
Aren't my hands cold?
Yes.
Oh,
Very cold.
You weren't even in the shop.
Oh wait, get this.
Thank you.
Get this little spread that she.
Hey guys, Brenes household here. So I'm gonna show you what we got. You know, we got some homemade bread, some balsamic vinegar,
Homemade by Rihanna.
homemade by Rihanna, chef. Look at this bread. Look at that.
You know massaging a dog's head?
Oh, it looks like it stopped on me.
She loves that.
Why did
One
it
time
stop?
I was petting her and like rubbing your ears.
Stop.
She literally fell asleep sitting
It's
up
black?
and then fell on top of me.
don't you see it's blinking?
Oh, sorry guys. Let's get back to the tutorial.
Hi guys. And this is Haley Brennis who keeps saying stop. Stop. James Brennis.
What's
Am I
up,
doing-
folks?
But you can't see anything here. Ooh. Maximilian, what you got there, homie?
Bread.
Woo. Look at that meal. Homemade bread. Who made that bread?
My mom.
What?
My mom.
All right. How is it?
Good.
What grade is it? Give it a grade.
A.
Ooh. Nice.
A plus.
A plus. Have you tasted the bread yet? Nope.
Byron knows
So
A
this
plus
is
already.
the infamous Brianna Brennis bread. Completely homemade.
Okay, I'm fine.
She actually churned this butter as well. She made this wine here. Freshly squeezed grapes. Fermented.
No.
Isn't that hot?
Ooh. Look at this. This is what it-
I just don't think this is my arm. Can't. Okay. Next time, I'll have sports goggles and I'll be like 100% better.
Ooh.
Mommy's backing on this trampoline. Wee.
I didn't go with shoes on though. Wait.
Here, you can hold my arm so you don't fall.
Mm.
Jakey, I need your help.
What happened?
That was a bigger one. Oh damn, this is scaly. Oh, is this one not sharp?
Wow, who caught that?
I did.
Did you really?
Grab it then.
Wow,
Get a hold of it.
Maddie.
That's a 10-pounder. Holy shit. That's a big one.
Take a picture, Jake, on my phone.
Oh yeah. That's awesome. Look at that handle.
Boom, boom, okay.
Alright, you ready? Come here.
Come on,
Yeah, at
Max.
least just check it out.
You can do it, Max.
No, come over on this side.
You know what we should do? Put on a
Which one is it? This
line.
one? No, stop eating.
Oh yeah, wait, can I put on my fishing pole, Max?
No, come here. Come this way.
Wait, is
towards
it a
me.
big tooth?
Okay.
Oh.
So you stay still. Don't back up. You're backing
Don't
up.
put it on my tooth.
You're back. Oh, what the hell? Am I doing?
How are we supposed to get the tooth
Yeah. Come here. Stop eating. Put the fry down.
I'm gonna yank it out with this.
You're gonna listen.
Yeah.
Yank it out, Max, right now. Go.
No, you grip it tight.
Go then.
Just grip
Don't
it
bite
tight
your
and
tongue.
yank it. Fat
One go,
boys,
3, 2,
what
1,
you
go.
want?
3, 2, 1, go.
Fat boys, what you want?
Giant
Oh, there you go. You got
Dude,
it?
pull
Come
it
on,
out,
Max.
Max. Dude, it's already out.
3.
Oh,
Come
it's
on,
out.
Max.
There you go. Just yank it out son of a bitch.
It's already out.
Yeah, Max.
Get it.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's already.
Oh, you got
Come
it.
on, Max.
Oh,
He already.
Max, what are you doing? Biting the
He
napkin?
already got it out like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah,
He's-
now you got- Here.
Dad, it's already out.
It's already out.
Where is it at?
In the paper towel.
I can't even fucking see it. Where is it?
I thought I saw it, but I didn't know. That's kind
Yeah, you got
No,
it.
on the table.
Of course on the table. Cool job, bro. You were the man. You pulled it out yourself. You didn't even need daddy to. I got a string as a waist. You were tough enough to do it yourself.
Dad, now floss your teeth.
Let me write it. Do you want roller skates? Yeah, they already. Ready, go.
High five.
Go, ready? Let me write it.
You're gonna fall into your head on the corner.
We're back. How do you feel, James? We are like literally like feet away.
Feeling good, bro. Feeling good.
Yes. We are almost here. Vlog day 1. Hour 0. We made it. How do you feel?
Pretty good, buddy. Pretty good.
Epic.
We are here, camping 2020. Over here, over here. We're all set up, and then no electronics. And then this guy has his PS4 remote. What are you playing, Nathan?
2K.
2K what?
20.
20 on your phone? Dang.
Thought this was no electronic tech zone.
Yeah. What is this?
I don't know.
The only electronics we should have is for videography.
Yes.
Say hi to the
We're
camera,
not here
Bea.
all the time.
Grandma.
You said hi to the grandma? I said hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
When you see this in 5 years, you'll be like, I sound like that. We have Primo over there. We have baby Dominic. Oh, he doesn't like the camera. You see me going.
I told you he doesn't like the camera.
We're out here having a little baseball tournament. Jake hasn't hit one. Rizzo is throwing darts over here. Come on, I want to see a blast to America right here. Oh, almost killed him. Dude, give him a cookie! My ball smoked!
Even right in the middle.
No, that ball moved at the last minute. How it moved.
You did. You gave him one.
No!
I could have hit that one. I could have.
First one that he's made contact all day.
That was out of my head too.
Oh!
Dude, I'm trying to get anything.
You look stupid.
No, Durham's trying to hit the damn ball.
This is all going in there. If he hits it, Jake is officially a bad batter.
Right, this one's I can hit anything.
What are we having for dinner? Hey, what's up, Primo? First night of Donner 2020. We got some carne asada over here, some steak, some shrimp, some fried shrimp. We got everybody here. Here's our trailer. We got Jake over here. Couldn't hit the side of a barn. I'm just kidding, Jake. We have our Uncle David over here. First time in Campsite 6. We'll see how he likes it. We're missing a person this year. My Papa's not here. We'll miss you, Papa, if you watch this. We'll see. It's just us here today. And of course, the usual, the other Brenna's family at Campsite 4. We'll see how this week goes. Hopefully it goes good.
Yay, Nathan! Your first fish that you caught on your own.
Get away, get the sand off it.
You got a fish? How?
What were you using? How'd you catch it? Did you actually catch it?
Yes. Come to me. Good on, Nathan.
You have teeth.
Yeah, really.
You gonna hold up, get a pair of pliers. Fish, I'm proud of
Baby
you.
rainbow trout.
On his own.
I know. Very.
You can't get it with your hands, Tyler?
I don't know. Oh, that's his tongue.
Yeah, it caught its tongue. I saw that.
God damn it.
What was on the bait?
Power bait. Watch over trout.
Do you want to release it?
Let me catch you releasing it. Let me see.
Oh, yes, sir.
We're here fishing.
No fishing. You see last time I said no fishing?
No rules.
So how many fish are you gonna catch, Dad?
I don't know. Hopefully I catch one.
Let's see. We're gonna keep count on here on camera. How about you, Nathan? How many fish are you gonna catch?
We've caught 3 or 2. Three or 2. And Uncle Jimmy is the only one catching fish.
Got it? Yep. Let's go.
It was a good day.
How many do you got today?
At least 15.
16.
Ooh. Okay. Got like 7 or 8, I think.
Like 20 million fish.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
1.
Ooh, that's tough.
12:30. We got some sleepy fishermen over here. This is what happens when we wake up at 5 in the morning to fish. Got no time for the lake, but time to sleep. What's up, Max? What are you eating?
Hot dog.
A what? Yeah,
Hot dog.
A hot dog?
Haley.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Did your mom do a good job? Yeah? What are you eating, Brody? I thought you weren't hungry. He's I am now.
How you feel how cold the water is?
Yeah, it's not that cold. I was in there for
It
an
is.
hour yesterday.
Yesterday, but you feel today?
It was colder, and I went in like at 6 o'clock. What are you eating now, Max?
Hot dog?
That's not a hot dog. That's a sausage.
Chicken and cheese.
Chicken and cheese what?
Sausage.
Yeah, there we go. How is it?
Good.
Is it very cheesy? What about chickeny?
Burnt.
Burnt? Maddie, how was your paddleboard experience?
Awesome.
Nice. Over here. That was caught on camera. He's up. What are you laughing for?
Hi.
Where were you?
In the bushes?
Yeah, what?
In the bushes?
In the bushes? You're in the bushes. Hi, Dominic. He's like, whatever you do not put this in the video. Hey, I like your hat.
His hat flew off like twice. She dropped her little thing.
What's going on over here?
I can't move my feet.
Are you trying to bury him,
Yeah.
Brody?
Yeah. I can't move my feet.
We've done some pretty good
gonna
burials. Have you seen some of the burials we've done? We buried Robert.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You lose $5. No. I can't find $5 anywhere.
How was it, Maddie?
Cold.
Cold.
I know it's cold. Just go all the way in. You're fine.
The warm draft.
We're trying to send it back to his familia.
Come on, Nathan. Come in.
Does that require me coming, swing it back?
All right, I gotta go in. 1, 2.
I'll put it on the water. Put it on the water.
How you feel now?
Refreshing. The trick is to get used to it. Is keep your head under the water, like for a while.
No, let me get
Show him. Why do I feel like every year they end up hugging each other in the water?
Come on, Isabella. It's okay. Come on. It's cold. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You're okay. It's okay. Look, Maddie's gonna come get you. It's okay. We have you.
I'm going to
Let's get relaxed. Put your hand.
Yeah! Good job, Isabella.
You got it.
Yeah, it gets warmer, Isabella. You just have to stay in here.
Yeah, you're okay.
Yay!
Good job, Isabella. See, it's not that scary, huh?
You like it?
Yeah.
Dinner time, making some chicken, making some fish that we caught this morning. We got a little salad. We got Jake's famous michelada. Got some lemons. We have a little Primo that's sad but wants to come outside. Jake over here with some scraggly hair.
Right here, right? Okay. Get under there. When you get onto the backbone right here. Okay. Let's go like that. Boom. Big old steak, man. Look at that thing. Oh boy. Get that little vein out. And you got a nice steak.
So Mom, what are you doing right now?
Taking pictures of the familia.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Life is but a dream. It's what you. Life has its music. Life has its songs of It's what you. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Life is but a dream. It's what you.
Look at Dominic.
Maddie,
What are you doing?
Maddie.
Are you enticed by this thing? Oh, follow the camera. So James, where are you going? To go get some margarita. Margarita. How was the jet ski ride?
Good.
Okay. What was the best part about it?
When I was driving and I was going on our ways,
We were making a big splash.
Ah, what?
We were going past these girls. They was like, look at that booty. I was like, oh my god, you're so freaking weird.
We're out here. It's Friday, and we got a tired baby. Say hi to the camera. What are you watching? What's up, man? Where are you going?
Kayaking.
How many times have you been on the jet ski today?
Three.
You gotta talk louder.
3 or 2 times.
How we doing over here, Rizzo? How's the trip been?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. How many times have you ridden the jet ski?
Like 4 times.
4 times. We got our bartender over here. What are you making over here, Jake?
Margarita.
Margarita for who? Jessica. We got Chef Robert, never off the job. Even when he's not working,
I'm on vacation and
he's
I'm still
working.
cooking.
It's all right.
Hey, what are you doing?
Just relaxing.
And what are you doing, Angel?
What am I doing?
Yes.
Just, getting burned in the sun. But
Okay.
enjoying the water.
Hey,
though.
look,
All right,
the
all
ready.
right.
Worth it with the company though. It's okay.
Okay.
You're dark already.
Am I? I hope so. I had a bad farmer's stand when I got here.
What are you doing, Robert?
Like we're just chilling.
Just chilling?
Chilling on the water.
chilling, Mom.
What are you doing, Jake?
You guys say howdy.
Howdy, y'all.
Okay. Are you recording?
I am. What are you doing right now?
We're talking
Tony?
about somebody else. But you have more motivation than I do. I just go clean up.
Did you?
What did you do?
Oh, the perils of a young man.
Only for Amy for the White Claw, even though I wanted it. Where's your can though?
Jess, what are you doing right now, Jess? Huh? What are you doing right now?
If I go in real right at home, boom, boom, boom. Nice.
Oh, there you go. Now I can see all that is handsome. Woo! Wait.
That hair.
Yeah, whip the hair.
Hair, Tyler.
Model material here, man.
Rate it.
Rate it.
One right down the middle.
I love Barbie because of my favorite.
Some hot beat sound.
Tony
With Jessica and Robert swimming.
You can do it, Isabel.
I cannot.
OG Ninos of Donner Lake. Here we are. Cheers.
26 years in.
I know. 29 years later.
Still going strong.
Oh, dance.
tired, not gonna lie. Ready for like at least a 4-minute power nap.
Picture, both of you.
Happy birthday to
Shot.
Show us youngins what a 60-year-old can do.
Yeah, sleep good tonight.
I know.
Still a surprise.
Still a surprise. There we go.
We have bartender Sylvia Brannis here, mixing it up.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Hey. I'm trying. She's trying. Uncle Roberto hooked himself up already. What is that, Uncle Roberto?
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary.
Extra vodka.
Nuh-uh. Really? You're gonna go hard or go home, right?
Yeah.
Jessica, Chef Jessica, cooking it up. We're on the lake for the first time having breakfast. Brunch, because it's
Based on the
11:22. And hello.
Sous chef.
Sous chef.
Slash taster.
All right, it's our last day here at Donner Lake. We're doing breakfast on the lake. Jessica made this all for us. Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome.
Oh, what are you drinking over here, Angel?
This is Jessica's drink because the only way she cooks is if she's drinking.
Okay, so
You
what?
should know that. It's
What-
a Bloody Mary for her.
It's a Bloody Mary. Nice.
Yeah.
We got some pancakes, got eggs and bacon. How was your pancake shake?
Good.
Should we do this more often?
Why not?
Did you enjoy brunch at the lake?
Awesome. Then we're gonna do dinner at the lake.
It's on? Hi! Look, we're just standing here. How you guys feeling right now?
Good.
Good? Hey, hang on. Robert and Maddie went to go Postmates some food for us.
Yay.
We got some
Is that
pizza.
Chili too?
This is ours.
These are ours.
Yeah. So they got 2 and then we got 2.
We got some pizza. We got some jalapeno poppers. Some
What's
wings.
the B mean? Blue Ranch? Yeah.
Blue Ranch. The B means
Blue cheese.
That's what I meant.
I did the same thing.
Day 19 in the wilderness. I've had no food for the past 3 days. Been drinking pee. I'm lacking right now. Oxygen tanks ran low today. My partner Robert over here helping me.
We're doing our yearly game of hitting the ball in the air without it touching the floor. Angel, count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Maddie said 100 out.
I'm gonna be like 24, 44.
we're counting in tens today.
Maddie said if we get 100 the first try, it's over. count by hundreds.
I got something to eat.
Yeah, what are you guys doing?
I'm warming up.
How do I hold on then? How do I hold on? Yeah, don't flip me off. Woo! Wide open, baby!
Is it still on?